Let's not beat around the bush, moneymakers. The current situation in the crypto market is a bear market. Now, price action isn't the best. XRP, Bitcoin, they're all at low levels. And people are looking for opportunities to diversify their portfolio. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I am a big believer in diversification, not having all your eggs in the same basket. And it's important, even in the crypto market, there's always opportunities, always ways that you can maximize your profits, even when the crypto market is lagging. Now, we're only a few weeks away from a potential Clarity Act passage as the days go. The July 4th Clarity Act potential date is coming. And we're going to start looking at what could potentially come here. As you can see, Clarity Act enters a 4-week window as Senate returns to Washington. Before we continue, please read the disclaimer. So like I said, Clarity Act is coming. The US is expected to resume work on Clarity Act this week as lawmakers return from Memorial Day recess, giving crypto market structure legislation a narrow window to advance before the July 4th break. If delayed into next year, this bill could face a very different political landscape after the midterm elections. We don't know what's going to happen with Clarity Act. Maybe it passes, maybe it doesn't. And so what I'm looking right now is how I can potentially find other ways to use my crypto to make me money. Now, there'll be people in the past that have told you, oh, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that. At the end of the day, it's up to you, and you have to decide what is best for you. What do you want to do with your money, and where do you want to put it? My job is to try to figure out how I can maximize myself and my profits in a zone like this in the crypto market. People will laugh, and when NFTs were running and people were making millions of dollars and they were saying, oh, this is silly. Why are people doing that? Because there was an opportunity to make money there. Of course, that didn't end as many people wished, but there's always going to be these cycles. There's always going to be these times in the crypto market where specific things are making money, and you have to decide, how can I shift? How can I diversify? So yes, my assets might be going down, but other assets might be doing a lot better. I want to talk to you guys about an opportunity. The opportunity is to not leave your crypto sitting idle and not making money for you. Now, you're free to use Whitebit Earn or Binance Earn, whatever your heart desires. You can use those, but my point is to not leave your crypto idle. And I will show you one of the platforms that I use, which is Coindepo. This is Coindepo platform. I recently started using this platform as a way to diversify my crypto portfolio. The bear market is hard. Valuations of crypto is going down. And I said to myself, this is an opportunity to start earning yield on my crypto that's just sitting in my wallet. Now, of course, there's always the risk when you lock into something that gives you an APR, there's always the risk that you need to take out your assets. So you need to take that into consideration when looking at platforms like this. But I have had people in the industry, people that are on YouTube and people that I know that have been using Coindepo, and that gave me the confidence to start using Coindepo as well. So as you can see, this is the account here where you can see your balances. And right now the portfolio has $12,000 in it with total paid interest of $6,500. Now there was more money, but I did take some profits off the table here. It's always good to have a little bit of profits in your bag because you never know what you're going to want to do. As you can see here, you can have many different tokens on the platform. We got USDT, we have XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDC if you're interested, Solana, Dogecoin. So all of these assets are able to use on Coindepo. You'll notice here that there are different types of time frames, right? So you got weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual, and each one has a different APR. Now, it's important to note that there is no locking in your assets. You can decide to cancel the time frame, but you only get the APR once you finish the time frame. And there is no any fees or penalties for early withdrawal. Okay, so that's very important to understand. We also have the possibility on Coindepo to take out a loan. Now, if that is something, again, that you're interested in, something that you want to use your crypto as collateral, that is a possibility. You can use your USDT, again, Ethereum, XRP, and then you have the possibility to get an instant loan. And interest rate is, of course, like any loan, you have to pay an interest rate, but that is another possibility that you do have here on Coindepo. So again, some people don't like taking out loans. Some people don't like loans in general. That's how many people are brought up. But if you have the possibility for a usage of your crypto, this is another way you can do that. And Coindepo gives you that possibility. It's not just about the earning, you also have the possibility to borrow funds if that is what you desire here on Coindepo. As you can see here, I have all these interest payments that I got paid. I'm getting some Ethereum, I'm getting some XRP. And again, this gives me the possibility to diversify my assets, to diversify my portfolio. When we have a situation where, again, the crypto market is in this weird place where stocks are running and yet the crypto market has been consolidating or selling off, running into the Clarity Act, it's important to take advantage of that possibility. We don't know. Maybe the crypto market is going to stay dormant for the next 6 months. Maybe Clarity Act does not pass now and it passes in the future. This way, using Coindepo, we can take advantage of our money just sitting and doing nothing and potentially earn those yields on the asset. One thing that really got me towards Coindepo is the fact that they have been around for a while, since 2021. So it's not a new platform that hasn't gone through the ups and downs of the crypto market, right? The fact that they have been around, they've gone through that bear market in 2022 and they were able to come out of the other side. Another thing is that their CEO is very transparent. I've known people that have had conversations with him. I'm going to try to have a conversation with him very soon. And so that gives me confidence in potentially the healthability of Coindepo. But as always, any investment in the crypto market always comes with a risk. So it's important that you do your own due diligence on Coindepo, figure out if this platform is good for you, or maybe you want another platform, that is fine as well. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. And like I always say, let's make a lot of money.